All right, and for new tech number five, I'm going to use a website called polleverywhere.com. Again, it's another free website, which is pretty cool. And this website, it's exactly what it sounds like. It is a way to poll your students to create all kinds of different polls. This could be used as an exit ticket, either for students. It could be used as exit tickets for PD. It's something you could train other staff to use, for exit tickets and stuff like that. Um, and it has a lot of different things. So you can create new activities, and when you do, it gives you a wide range of different things you can do. So you can do just a normal multiple choice poll. You could even do like word clouds. So I'll do a demonstration of that one. Some of these even have where you can ask a question and kids can respond, and then they vote for like the best answer. You can do surveys. It's just so many other things. Like I even saw they did brainstorming. You can assign different teams. You can even do like an emotional SEL scale, which is kind of neat. So there's just all kinds of different activities that this one offers. One that I went ahead and did uh, was I did a response one. And this was actually for a word wall, and it says, "Who was the most influential person of the 19th century?" And so, what's neat is they can actually go online and do this, or it actually creates a text code for you that students can join as well. And so you can do this. That's why it's called Polls Everywhere. Is you can do all kinds of different data collection. So even if that you get those few kids that like to pack up early at the end of a class period, it's like, oh nope, you can take your phone out and still respond real quick. So it's kind of a neat little setup. And I chose the word wall one, and I haven't had any responses for it. So but just kind of a neat way to collect data, even if it's just short and sweet. Thought it was kind of a neat little app to use. And so again, I would use this for all kinds of things, like a quick check-in for PDs, a quick check-in for students. You could even just ask students at the beginning of the hour what they're working on. I say, hey, real quick, get out your phone, text what you're doing today. So if you're providing a lot of choices and options, this is a great little way to have students even check in at the beginning of a class period and say, here are my three things, here are my three goals for this class period. So lots of cool little applications with this, and just thought it was one I found really neat and would definitely use pretty heavily in my own classroom. So thanks.